Hello everyone, hope you all keeping well. Long time no see. In today's video, I'm going to introduce about the incredible world of artificial intelligence. In this video, I'm going to introduce how you can create an image and presentation without your effort. Just give the instruction by giving the test, it will generate into amazing image and amazing presentation. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to go to the Google and then type it WePick, WEPIK, WePick.com AI. Yeah, that's it. So there we go. So WePick is this website is created by Prepick. So as you know, Prepick is the one of the popular image generator website. We can go to the prepick and then we can download the image. Most of the people like it. I will show you. But the people who never had prepick. So that's it. Prepick is the image bank website. Contents produced and distributed by the online platform include the photograph, illustration, and better image. You can download freely. You can even get the Photoshop file here. That is prepick. I think you already know about this website. So it's a really cool website. Now they also create the AI website called WePick. So this website is created by Prepick. That's why the security is also safe. Because of using the AI is the little challenge for us because of they can track our data and they can use it back again for their business purpose. So in this website, you can do a lot of things. So when you reach to the prepick, just go to the pictures. And then here you can see AI image generator. You can create the image, just give the test and how you would like to create. So after that, this will create the image for you. And then you can also create the image presenter maker also. And then there are also QR generator, background remover, social media scheduler, photo editors. Among of these, I like AI image generator and AI presentation maker. Those are really amazing. So let's go. So for example, and here I will write and type the test. And then at here you can choose the style, for example, 3D. And for enemy like that, and then just click to generate. So you can choose the aspect ratio here, square, portrait, landscape, and then you can also choose the style. You can also choose the color also. So it will create the image for you. So whether you are content creator, social media marketer, or educator or presenter, you can use this website freely. The best thing is this website is totally free. Here, I did. Okay, so I skipped one step. That is how to create account. So actually, it's as not important because nowadays most of the people know how to create account. So if you want to create an account, you can create with your Gmail or you can create with your email. I created with my email, so I will show you. Account. So click to login. So I already create with my Gmail. So for example, if you do not have an account, you have to click the sign in. You can create an account with your Gmail, or you can create with your account with Facebook, or you can create your account with an email. So I already have an account, so I will sign into my account. Again, it will take you to here. Okay, so and then the next topic is AI presentation maker. I will go to my project here. And here I created one of the presentation. Let's look at. This is my testing. So I asked them to create a open house presentation for me because I'm an educator. That's why they created presentation for me with the different image and text and totally 8 slides. If you want to change the image, you can also change here photo. So you can upload your photo or you can search and get it freely from the pre-pick. Amazing, right? And then you can also get the element, icon, basic shape, line, arrow, sticker, illustration. Oh my god, so amazing. And you can edit text also. Okay. So the last thing is I will create for you. Let's go to create new project, or maybe I will start from the home page. Okay, let's go here. So go to the features and then click to AI presentation maker. There we go. So at here, just click to get started. After that, you can choose the design at here, and in default they give 6 types of style, and you can give the topics. For example, management meeting, and then you can choose the language. Also, you can get with different language. I will choose English and then generate. And you have to wait a little bit, but it's depends on your computer. Okay, now I got a presentation. It created a presentation for me. Look at here. Effective project management meeting strategies for success. Right. So if you want to specify, if you want to modify, you can modify in here and specify capture, created, format. So if you want to be format, just click to format. If you want to be a little bit created, just click to created. And then you can choose the design and click generate and then generate. Okay, now it create a new presentation for me because I changed a created slide. So like here. Oh my god, so cool! If you can adapt with your purpose and you can adapt with your specific topic, you can change the text and you can change the image also. Do you want to upload or do you want to get it from the pre-pick, or you can also get it from the picture. Everything is possible. So creativity and the result are at your fingertips. So don't hesitate to try. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any question or if you would like to say anything, you can comment it. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.